Straight piped. Keep the revs up, mate. Okay, so here we have the engine kit on the bicycle. As I say, today was great fun, except one thing I will say is, even on this particular configuration, it is quite difficult to pedal the damn thing with the engine kit on there. This bike isn't the best anyway for pedalling, the gears are a bit pants, and I could do with a few adjustments on that, and it did work, but the shifters moved back down into their original position. Other than that, coil needs to be put back on because the bolt did come loose, and obviously we lost it, and whoever was riding it didn't notice. And yeah, so I put that back on there. It has a top speed of about 29 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive for a little engine like this on a push bike. So yeah, that's pretty cool. As far as actually practical practice versus an e-bike, I'd say a fast e-bike is better any day of the week as far as not getting caught is concerned. Because these, you can only really use them in certain areas like airfields and things like that without the police, and basically fun spoilers going, oh, they're riding a bicycle with an engine on it and stuff like that. So you're not going to get caught so much. In the UK these are illegal, but in the USA and places like that you are allowed to use these, except from like California. Obviously the old two-stroke smoke might be a bit too much for them. So yeah, good fun. 30 miles an hour top speed, very, very cheap. Cons, not really legal in the UK, have to use it in on private land essentially, or areas you're not going to get seen, things like that. And yeah, it was good fun. They are cheap. It's a bit of a cheap laugh, bit of a giggle. So if you have an old bike in the shed, there happens to be these thinner frame tubes, and you want to get one of these for £80, go ahead, do it. It's funny as hell. Just be careful where you use it, basically, and don't think it's going to be really, really easy to pedal it everywhere with that on there, because it really isn't. That concludes this video. See you later.